Hello students, today we are going to solve one important or interesting problem. Now the problem is prove that log 12 by log 18 is an irrational number. So now here I simply use the method of contradiction. Now I am taking log of 12 and by log 18 we can write 18 as the base by using the base changing formula as an rational number which is equal to a by b. So where a and b both are integers with the condition b cannot be 0 and we have a CF of a and b, this SCF is 1. Okay now. So this will imply 12 is equal to 18 to the power a by b by definition of log. Now this will be 12 to the power b is equal to 18 to the power a. Now we can factorize 12 and this will be what? 2 square into 3, then we have whole power b which is equal to 3 square into 2 whole power a. This we can write as 2 to the power 2b divided by 2 to the power a which is equal to 3 to the power 2a divided by 3 to the power b. This number will be 2 to the power 2b minus a and which is equal to 3 to the power 2a minus b. Now from here we can write, now this number is always giving you the even number and this number always giving you the odd number if we consider the bases the power are positive integers. Okay now, so only one possibility is there, the left hand side will become the right hand side if the power, both the power is 0, this and 2a minus b will be equal to 0. Now solving these two you are getting a equal to 0 as well as b equal to 0. Now this is contradiction because this is contradiction because we assume that b cannot be 0. Okay now, so therefore we can say that log 12 by log 18 with same base is an irrational number. Hope all of you understand this.